Hello. In this exercise, I'm going to add an inline image to my news article that I made previously. I need to find that news article, so I'll click the administrator bar menu, choose Content, and then search for my content. I can use the filters at the top, or if I've just made it, it should be near the top. If I want to view the content, I can click the title, but I know I want to edit this news article. So I'll click on Edit. And here I am back in the draft of the news article. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger so I can see what I'm doing. And so in the body of the news article, I'm just going to insert an image in the middle of the article. So I just hit the return key to get a nice space for that. And then on the WYSIWYG toolbar at the top, the very last button is called Add Media. When I click that, I'll see the media browser. We were here when we made the faculty content. We uploaded the image of the faculty person using the Upload tab. If I'm hot linking to some other website where an image is hosted, I could use that. But I want to use an image that's already in our Drupal environment. And I'll click on the third tab, the UMN library, to view all the uploaded images. I'll see a big list. And the easiest way I've found to find something is just use the name. And all of our location images all begin with location number.jpg. So here's the location images. I'm going to pick one at random. You would probably know what image you want to select and then submit. I have an option as to what size I want this to be. I can have an original size, quarter size. I'm going to make it a thumbnail. This drop-down list of options for inserting images is controlled by the site builder. They can create more different variants of sizes to embed. They'll just shrink it down into the appropriate size or expand it up to double size. But the site builders can go and add more options to this drop-down list for the display as. Because this image was already uploaded previously, an alt text was added to the image, and it will use the same alt text as well in all instances of the image, which is good for consistency. We're not using title text or description in our images, so at the bottom, submit. And if I scroll back to the right, there's the image there. If I want to change the image, just highlight the image and then click the edit box, and then I can go and choose a different image or add a different text. I'll click Save at the bottom. This content is still published. Added an image and save. And now if I view that content, the image is a thumbnail. It's in the middle. I could have messed around with some of the formatting, but I'll just leave it like that. That's it. If you want to try it again, you can add another image or remove images, but that's the end of this exercise.